Hey everybody, this is day 22, or night 22 actually. This will be dose, 44 now? Yeah, 44. So, yeah. So anyway, I feel good. I'm getting ready to go to work. I gotta hurry up. I'm gonna be running late here if I don't get going. So I will be back in the morning. I'm going to weigh myself because I ate so much last night. I had like a half of a little sandwich. That's all I'm going to eat today. A couple pieces of turkey breast and a lot of veggies on it. So one piece of bread. So probably like 250 calories or something like that. So anyway, so we'll see what we weigh in the morning. So I'm going to take my HCG and head to work. A little bit more in there. There we go. All right. There we go. And I will see you guys in the morning for dose 45.